Jamaica, Pree Dis. My name is Cosmo, and right now we're at a Valentine party called Secret Crush on the lands of Hope Gardens. And trust me, right now the vibes still and over Valentine. But guess what? We have a jam-packed show for you guys this week. It's all about the latest in Jamaica's entertainment and lifestyle. So stick with us right here to Secret Crush. Yo, party turn up! Party was called Hollywood Nightlife and everybody came out dressing like a celebrity. Yo, the venue was Club Privilege in New Kingston. Yo, just in case you weren't there, Pree Dis have all the highlights right there for you. Yo, check it out, Pree Dis.
Paparazzi a follow me, the girl them just a call me. Enjoy yourself, girl.
Girl, we go party like it's your birthday, like it's your birthday. You're a superstar. So you're a superstar. Party like it's your birthday, girl. Your birthday, girl. You're a superstar. Yeah, that's who you are.
Well, it's a birthday, girl, and I know for do your thing. You're shining and glistening. You got the man them whistling when you're passing, girl. Your body does a swing like tum, tum, tum. Girl, I know for do your thing. Girl, I like your style, but you're really gonna drive me wild. But I really wanna keep you smiling, girl. Come on, let's party.
Girl, we go party like it's your birthday, like it's your birthday. You're a superstar.
Major, go for ya.
So you're a superstar. Party like it's your birthday, girl. Your birthday, girl. You're a superstar. Yeah, that's who you are.
Girl, no matter about nobody, just go and do your thing. Show off the flat belly with the ring. You ever clean and sexy? Girl, you a go hard, you a make a DJ start sing. Enjoy yourself, yeah, mommy. Sexiness, I do it, girl. Move up your body, yeah. You have your place in a linger in a lobby. Some girl just a Dilliana.
Girl, we go party like it's your birthday, like it's your birthday, girl. You're a superstar. So you're a superstar. Party like it's your birthday, girl. Your birthday, girl. You're a superstar, girl. That's who you are.
Promise step up at the party, all the girl them that's a drama. Them a whisper on my ears, I tell me what. Say the mommy, she want what's in my cup, I'm at the bar filling it up. Guarantee that tonight, say she a go get. She's out of control. Wine girl, I wanna see some more. Party like a rock star, drink like a.
Hello. Tonight we're here in the Privilege Nightclub. We're bringing Hollywood to the Privilege Nightclub for the first time. And this is my sister Sandy.
Hi.
And this is our birthday party.
Oh yes, come tell it, come tell
And
it.
it's our birthday party.
And
if
you
you missed
to be
it,
here.
you're dissing it. And
Can
it's
you
all
believe
about
Hollywood
us.
is in the privilege?
Can you believe it? For the first time in Jamaica, we set the trend. Hollywood, you say? All good. Hollywood in the Privilege Nightclub.
Oh,
I want to say happy birthday, Sandy. It's a privilege for me to be here with Sandy enjoying her birthday. If you missed it, you dissed it.
Oh, couldn't have said it better, can I tell you? Well, this is Sandy Star, and I'm at the Privilege, and it's my first time taking Hollywood in Privilege. Believe it, tonight I feel good, man, I tell you now. I saw the whole world could have been a privilege tonight. But don't worry, don't worry. Who never there, I go see it, don't worry.
Hot girl Sandy, big up. You don't know my voice, kind of gone, come over from the flu, but hardworking Sandy, we love you all the time. Big up, we're going to do this again every year. And you don't know it's a January girl thing, keep sweet.
Yes, happy birthday, my sister. I love you.
We love you. The party is shot. Party is shot.
It's hot.
It's hot. You're dressed mad. You can't even talk about it.
Say what? You know the hot girl Sandy party and a Saturday day in here. I'm happy bigger up. Oh yeah? Cause a fair thing and it's all good. She does a glow so. And you know why she a glow? Cause here what? We know newcomer. The way we look, how we fit in our oma. Want a man beat it like a drummer. Autumn, winter, spring, or summer cars. We know newcomer. The way we look, how we fit in our oma. Want a man beat it like a drummer. Autumn, winter, spring, or summer. Yeah, that's for Sunday. Zane, aka Sajay. Big up yourself. Love you, girl.
All about your party, shot.
Of course. Out the road yourself. Love you, Sandy.
Girl, we go party like it's your birthday, like it's your birthday. You're a superstar, so you're a superstar. Party like it's your birthday, girl.
you're shining and glistening, you got the man.
Crush is the party, and right now we're just relaxing, we're just chilling and down there vibing with Cosmo. Let's get into the show. So Taras Riley recently launched his music video for Shaka Zulu Pitney. It's a Black History themed music video, so you guys want to check this out. And of course, Pree Dis was on location. So yo, we're going behind the scenes, Check this out.
Marcus Garvey family, ancestors no leave me. Naya Bingi, Bobo Shanti.
It's just weird that it takes football match to come show people say you have skyscraper building and highway in Africa. Because we get it like it's pure bang belly picking and flying them out and all them things in Africa. And when you tell people say you go Africa, they say, hey, you go Africa, where you go Africa? And you nobody say bring back nothing for me. That's the good thing about going to Africa, Nobody does say, hey, when you go to Africa, bring back something for me, You understand? Just remember, if you want to say you go just over there, so 1 hour 20 minutes of Miami, Lord bad, suitcase can't hold other things for man. I remember to tell you say this, and man I tell people before you come, say Muta come in, so give him this to carry for me. But when you go to Africa, nobody knows that. So, but we know more and more now, we see people, and we see artists. We see artists that get shows in Africa, and the market are open up in Africa now, because Bob Marley say one thing, say, you're not going to sing until you reach the right people. And we know the right people is the people that were him actually did a sing for. Because he must say, boy, a long time we are singing, and it's hard for really we are singing so much song and it's not really reach on Africa. So we see the music now, I take another turn. Africa is a very important market for the music. And we always try and shun it because of the news that we get out there. But it's a very important market for the music. And it's a people like we that listen to the music. And we have to create that market structure out there right now. That more and more artists can go into Africa and say, it's not a wild place.
Manic dynasty from the line of David, what a priceless legacy. Mana Shaka Zulu, Ligne, and Kuma, Ligne, Kunta, Kinte, Ligne. It's like Malcolm and Martin and Garvey and Fiery, Nani, Ligne. Sam Sharp, Ligne, Bujuneke, Ligne. It's like Martin and Marley and Garvey and Fiery.
Forgotten. You don't know another core city. We have to strive. One more time, we have to pray the system. Them forget about the poor. From election keep, we can't see them anymore. Me feel it to me cold. I search for we next meal and I know we not sure. Them forget about the poor. We are the ones them where the bigger heads ignore. Me feel it to me cold. When me see the little ghetto youths head bust and scholar boy. Yeah, them belly full, what happened to belly empty? Forget about your brother, just true you living wealthy. More time we have to beg Jaja for help we. For maintain with the cars where them dealt with. We see the bigger heads, I just promises. After election, the whole of that vanishes. It no surprise we, none of that astonishes. Still we maintain and we manage it. Them forget about the poor. From election keep, we can't see them anymore. Me feel it to me cold. I search for we next meal and I know we not shoot. Them forget about the poor. We are the ones them where the bigger heads ignore. Me feel it to me cold. When me see the little ghetto youths head bust and scholar bow. Yeah, we are the ones where always a strive on. We head high, we shoulder, we put with pride pan. Every day we find it harder to survive on. We look round and nobody feel rely pan. So we have to go out for self, out for well. Concerned about we health, whether it cloudy or the sun out the pell. Can anybody out the help? Them forget about the poor. From election keep, we can't see them anymore. Me feel it to me cold. I search for we next meal and I know we not sure. Them forget about the poor. We are the ones them where the bigger heads ignore. Me feel it to me cold. When me me see the little ghetto youths head bust and skull a bow. Them no member the poor, them no member the poor. Tell me why the bigger heads no member the poor. When every man have a right for a future secure, and we no really know what in store. Them no member the poor, them no member the poor. Tell me why the bigger heads no member the poor. Every man have a right for a future secure. Right now is my heart, me a poor. Them forget about the poor. From election keep, we can't see them anymore. Me feel it to me core. I search for we next meal and I know we not sure. Them forget about the poor. We are the ones them with the bigger heads ignore. Me feel it to me core. When me see the little ghetto youths head bust and skull a bow. When the rain a fall it a pour.
I love me some soup, and right now, you know, we have to take a short commercial break now because I want to enjoy the soup right here in my hand. So don't win a secret crush. It's all about Pree Dis, and we have a lot more after the short break. We soon come.